Good morning students. Today we are going to start chapter 5 using clip art and smart art. In this session today we will see how to insert image in MS Word 2007. To insert image or picture, first we need to start Word 2007. For that click Office button, All Program, Microsoft Office, then Word 2007. This is the window of Word 2007. Then from Insert tab, from Illustration group, click Picture icon. See here, click on Picture icon. Then select the picture like from desktop. Here from desktop I am selecting one picture. Select the picture, click Insert button. Picture will appear in document. And as soon picture will appear in document, one format, see here one tab you will see, that is what format tab. In format tab you can change the picture style, you can change the picture shape, or see here for example brightness, you can change the brightness of picture. Okay, from here you can change the brightness of picture. Then contrast, you can change the contrast, that is contrast means black and white portion. Then recolor, you can recolor also the picture, see like that. Then compress picture, if you want to compress the picture you can compress. Compress means if you want to adjust the picture size you can do from here also. Then the next is what, see here change picture, if you don't want this picture you want another picture, so you can change the picture also. See this way you can change the picture also. Then reset picture, if you want to resize the picture, that is the, if you want to enlarge or if you want to increase the size of picture or minimize the picture, from here you can do the same. Okay, so here from here you can set the size of picture, or you can rotate the picture also. This way you can rotate the picture also. Then from here you can change the picture style also. See different styles are coming. So this way you can change the picture style also from here. See, okay. Then the next is what, you can change the picture shape also. Select the picture, then click any one shape, you can change the picture shape. See here, okay. Then the next is picture border. If you want to change the color of picture border, then you can change from here. Select any color, then border color will be changed. Or if you want to change the lines, that is a border size, so you can do also. Then picture effect, if you want to apply some different effect you can do that also. See here like that, you can change the picture effect from here. See here different style, different picture effects are given there. Any effect you can select or you can do like this. Understood now? And if suppose some mistake is there, so you can do undo also, that is you can from here you can change the position of picture also like that. That position means what, in the document where you want to set your picture, up, top, bottom, left, right, center, like that. Okay, then the next is what, the next I am doing here, I am taking another picture. Okay, so 2 3 that is as much picture you want you can insert in your document. Not only one, more than one pictures you can insert, or you can adjust the picture like that. See here set background, if you want that picture, one picture will come at the background of another picture, so you can do this also. Send the picture at the background or bring at the front, so this also you can do from here like that. Okay, so you can send the picture in front or you can send the picture back also. Then if you want that the text comes over the picture or text come behind the picture, that also you can set from here. See here, select the picture, then text wrapping, then behind the text, that means this picture will come behind the text. Or if you want to rotate the picture, you can do from here also, you can rotate the picture. Alignment, you can set the alignment of picture, left, then center, then like this you can change, or you can rotate the picture also here. Okay, then the next is what? If you want to like here I am doing like this, and both the pictures simultaneously I am resizing. Okay, select both the pictures, then simultaneously you can resize both the pictures. Then crop, if you want to crop the picture, that is short. If you want to crop some part of picture, you can do from here. Okay, so from here you can crop the picture also. You can increase the size of picture, or you can decrease the height and width of the picture also. So see here, so this way you can insert the picture, you can change the picture style, or you can change the picture shape, picture border, and you can do different formatting with the picture. So hope this is understood. If you are having computer at your home, do this practical, then it will be more clear to you. Okay, thank you.